So today we have with us workshop observer Mrs. Pragati Sindhamkar, supervisor of primary section, subject in charge Mrs. Renu Shetty, special cell Ms. Sonia Nader, and revision in charge Mrs. Shraddha Shinoy. Here the next we have portion covered in the month of June. That is, we have completed 2 lessons, Soham's ball and magic seed. This is the timetable for month-end revision program. Good evening one and all. Myself Mrs. Shraddha Shinoy. Today I am here to present month-end revision program before you all. My first and foremost welcome goes to our founder president sir, Dr. R. Vardarajan sir, our director sir, Dr. V. Balasubramanian sir, and our management representative Mahika ma'am. I would also like to welcome Archana ma'am and our primary supervisor ma'am Pragati ma'am, and also my colleagues. Good evening one and all.
Good afternoon one and all. I am Aryan. Would like to welcome you all for the month-end revision workshop. My first and foremost welcome goes to our Honorable President Sir, Dr. R. Vardarajan Sir. My sincere welcome goes to Mahika Ma'am. I also welcome Observer in charge, Pragati Ma'am, Subject in charge, Sonia Teacher, and Revision in charge, Shraddha Ma'am. Last but not the least, I welcome all my friends to make wonder in this program. Once again, I welcome you one and all.
So children, as we have completed a portion for this month, so now we are going to revise the portion by conducting month revision program. So children, now please tell me which all lessons we have completed in this month.
Magic seed and Soham magic seed and Soham
Yeah. Very good. Very good. Yes, correct. So children, now we are going to revise this 2 lessons. So are you all ready? Are you all ready? How to say yes? How to say yes? Yes. Very good. Okay. So let's start. Okay. So now tell me what all things we learned from the lesson Soham's ball. If you know the answer, you have to press the thumb icon and then I will allow you to answer. Okay. No chorus answers. Okay. You just have to show me the thumb. Yes, Komal?
Teacher, we have learned we should be polite and kind with others.
Okay, very good. And what you have learned? Yes, Jia?
We should always respect our elders.
Very good. Very good. And what? Yeah.
Teacher, we have also learned magic words.
Very good. Okay, children. So we have learned about magic word. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So now let us revise those magic words with the help of video. Okay?
Let us revise all those words. So the first word is thank you. So children, now tell me, when are we supposed to say thank you? When you get something you want, we say thank you. So our next word is please. And when we are supposed to say please, when we need or want something, or when we ask for something, we use the word please. We say please, and this word is very, very important in our life. So children, let us move on to our next magic word, and that is welcome. So now children, you tell me, when are we supposed to say welcome? When someone say thank you to us or someone thank us, it's our duty to say welcome in return. It is a good gesture from us. So children, let us move on to our next word, and that is excuse me. Now, when someone is talking or when two people are busy, and if we want to say something very, very important to other, we need not want to simply rush to them. But we need to go to them and say, "Excuse me, please," and then you can say what you want to say. Okay? Now, children, we are going to learn about a very, very important word in our life. Okay? Now, tell me when we are supposed to say sorry. When you want to apologize or when you do something wrong, what do you say? You say sorry. So, children, I hope you all must have understood.
Yes, children. You have understood now? You all have understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Then how to say yes? How to say yes? Okay.
yes.
Okay. Yeah. Now tell me which was our next lesson?
Magic seed.
Yes, correct. Magic seed. Now tell me what all things you learn from the poem Magic Seed. First you have to show me the thumb, okay? No chorus answers. Yes, Svara.
Yes, teacher. Teacher,
Yeah.
we have learned about parts of plant.
Yes, very good. And what we have learned? Yes, Samruddhi.
Teacher, we have also grown small plants in our cutie pot.
Yes, very good. And what? And what? Yes, Aryan.
Miss, we also learn about different parts of plant.
Now, children, I am not going to do anything, okay? Now, as if I am your student and you all are my teacher, you yourself have to revise these two lessons by conducting activities. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes.
Understood? Okay.
Yes.
Oh, okay, fine. So now let us start with the chit method. So children, are you all ready? Are you all ready?
Yes.
Say yes loudly. Say yes loudly. Komal, say yes loudly. Yes. Okay. Yeah. So now I would request Swara to conduct chit method. She is having one ball in her hand. There are some chits. There are some colorful chits in the ball. Few names are written on the chits. Okay. Now what Swara is gonna do? She will take out chits one by one, and whose name is written on the chit, those children. Okay. Only those children will do the activity whichever they have prepared. Understood, all of you? Understood, all of you?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Yes, Vara, come on, start.
Teacher, first number is Navya Kotian.
Yes, Navya. Where is Navya? Navya, are you ready, beta? Okay, start. What you are going to do?
Magic word.
Okay, you are going to explain about magic words. Fine, start.
Hello everyone. My name is Navya Kotian. I am from first standard. Today I will explain you magic word. So friends, are you all ready? Let's start. Magic word. First magic word is sorry. When you are wrong, say sorry. Second magic word is excuse. When two people are busy talking and you want to say something, say excuse. Third magic word is when you want to ask something, say may I. Fourth magic word is please. When you want something, say please. Fifth and last magic word is thank you. When anybody gives you something, say thank you.
Very nice, Navya. Come on, all of you clap for Navya. All of you clap for Navya. Yes, very good, Navya. Very good. Okay. Yes, Vara. Now take out the second chit. Aryan, are you ready? Aryan?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, what you are going to do?
Miss, I am in.
Yeah, start.
Miss, I am explaining about different parts of trees.
Okay.
Roots, stem, branches, fruit, mango fruit, leaf. Trees are very important for us.
Okay, Aryan. Very good. Yes, Swara. Now come on, take out the next sheet.
Third number sheet is Jia Palav.
Yes, Jia. Jia is there with us.
Yes, miss.
Jia. Okay. Are you ready, beta?
Yes, miss.
Okay, beta. Start. Jia, you are on mute. Jia, you are on mute. You are on mute. Unmute yourself.
Okay,
Yeah.
miss.
Okay.
Hello, everyone.
What
I
are you
am
going to do? Yeah.
Standard First. Today I am going to explain the word process of germination. Let's start it. This picture clearly describes that is the seed germination picture. In this picture, we can see a seed has sown in the soil and we can see the embryo. An embryo is also called a baby plant and we can see cotyledon and it is the food for baby plant. Thank you.
Very nice, Jia. Very good. Okay. Now come on, now, Swara. Take out the next sheet.
Yes, teacher. For number sheet is Komal. Yes, teacher.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. What you are going to do?
I will read the magic seed poem.
Okay, fine. Start.
Magic seed. Look, listen, sing, and act. I found a little tiny seed and planted it outside. Almost at once, it started to grow up, tall and wide. It sprouted leaves from everywhere and soon became quite big. I am not sure what it is yet. Apples, peas, and figs. No matter how it turns out, I know that it will be my own completely special something or other tree. Thank you.
Yes. Very good, Komal. Very good. All of you clap for Komal. Yes. Clap. Clap for Jia and Aryan also. Come on, come on, come on. Yes. Very good. Very good. Yes, children. Now ask me if you have any doubt. You all can ask me. Yes, Komal?
Teacher, I have doubt.
Yeah. Please ask. What doubt you have?
Teacher, can you explain us more about germination?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. See, I know you all are very curious to know about the way of gardening and learning how the plants grow. So, in today's session, let us answer an evergreen question: what is a seed germination? Okay. Now, everything in this universe begins with something. Even the universe itself is believed to be born out of a cosmic egg. And just like that, the life of a plant starts from a seed. a seed has three major parts. Okay, first one is seed, then the second part is inside the seed. There is a baby plant which is also called as an embryo, and the rest cotyledons. That is the food of the baby plant. Now, only having a seed is not enough. If we want a baby plant to grow from the seed sown, it also needs good soil, moisture, sunlight, etc. Once we are happy with the surrounding and environment, we are ready to sow the seed inside the ground. And this is where the magical and fundamental process of germination seed starts. Let us learn in detail, okay? I will show you one video, okay? So are you all ready? Are you all ready? Okay.
First, the seeds consume water rapidly from the soil, resulting in swelling and softening of the seed coat at a suitable temperature in the process called an imbibition. But water isn't enough to make the baby embryo grow. It also needs food. And fortunately, the food is already present in the cotyledons that activates the enzymes, and the baby plant gets its nourishment. After some time, the seed coat ruptures and we see a tiny root emerging out of it. Later, the root grows and pushes down deeper into the soil in search of more water and nutrients to feed the baby plant, and takes hold of the soil that will help the plant from falling over due to external forces. And in the last stage of seed germination, the seed cells become metabolically active, elongate as the coat splits from the opposite end to give rise to the seedling. Finally, we see the growing plant rising through the seed coat and emerging above the ground, searching for sunlight. When this happens, the cotyledon has finished its job. And because their job is done, they fall off the plant and become part of the soil. Once the cotyledon is gone, the plant's tiny leaves take over the task of supplying food to the new plant with the help of photosynthesis. And this whole process of a single seed growing into a plant is called germination.
Yes. You all saw the video?
Yes. Yes.
You all liked it? You all liked it? Yes.
Yes.
Very good. Yes, Dia. Come on now, you ask what doubt you have, Dia. Yes, Komal.
Teacher, what does the head dye part of banyan tree is called as?
Okay. The head type part of a banyan tree is called as floating roots. Okay, as they are floating in the air, so they are called as floating roots. Yes. Anything else? Anything else? Yes, Navya?
Yes, miss.
Yeah. What doubt you have?
Teacher, what is the difference between plant and tree?
Trees and plants. Okay. Beta, trees are much larger in size than plants, and plants are the smaller one. Okay, plants are small in size. Roots of the trees are very, very strong. Okay, but roots of plants are readily bendable and they are very, very weak. Okay, trees are much stronger than plants. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now what we are going to do is we are going to solve the worksheet. Okay, we are going to solve the worksheet now. Are you all ready for that?
Yes, miss. Yes, teacher.
Okay, fine. See, these are the hard words, and Dia, Dia, read out these hard words. Dia is going to read out these hard words for us.
Magic seed. Read and write. Grow.
You all are going to repeat after Dia.
Grow.
Say all of you.
Grow. Grow.
Yes. Very good. Grow. Grow. Yes, the next one.
Leaves. Leaves.
Yes, very good. Leaves. Leaves. Now the next one.
Outside. Outside.
Yes, very good.
Outside.
Yes. Yes, very good. Next one.
Peas. Peas.
Yes. Yes, the next one.
Planted. Planted.
Yes, planted. Planted. The next one. Read out the next one.
Sprouted. Sprouted.
Yes, very good. Sprouted. The next one.
Little.
Very good. Now next one.
Everywhere.
The next one. RE everywhere. Correct. Next one.
Special.
Say all of you.
Special.
Very good. Last one.
Trees. Trees.
Very good.
Trees.
Yes, very good. See, children, I'll be sending this worksheet on your WhatsApp group. You all have to write these words two times, okay? You have to read and write it, okay? Now, the next one. Fill in the missing letters. Now, see the first one. MAG-C. Which letter will come? Which letter will come over? Yes, very good. MAGIC, magic. Now see the second one. S-D. Which letters will come? Very good. Double E. S-E-E-D, seed. Now see the third one. P-E-S. Very good. P-E-A-S. This we have already done, okay? Now see the fourth one. S-P-R-O-T-E-. What will come in dash? Which letter will come? Yes. S-P-R-O-U-T-E-D. Very good. Now see the last one. Fifth one. G-R-O dash. Very good. G-R-O-W. Grow. Okay. Now see here, fill in the blanks. Okay, you have to answer the questions. Soham and Sam are playing dash.
Football.
Very good. Very good. Football. Soham and Sam are playing football. Now see the second one. Sam dash the ball. Kicked the ball. Sam kicked the ball. Now see the next one, third one. Sam asked for the dash. The ball. I found a tiny little dash. Very good. I found a tiny little seed. My own completely dash. Special. Yes. It sprouted dash from everywhere.
Leaves. Sprouted leaves
Leaves.
from
Very good. Yes.
everywhere.
Yes. It sprouted leaves from everywhere. Very, very good. Okay. Now see, next is who said to whom. Okay. Now see the first one. No, I won't. Who said to whom?
Mr. Mane said to Soham.
Very good. Mr. Mane said to Soham. Now see the second one. Uncle, may I have the ball, please?
Soham said to Mr. Mane.
Yes, very good. Soham said to Mr. Mane. Now see the next one, third one. Thank you. Who said to whom?
Mr. Mane.
Okay. Very, very, very good. Yeah. Okay. Now see the last one. What you have to do is you have to label the parts of the plant. And this also we have already done. Okay. See the first one is done for you. That is flower. Okay. See where the arrow is pointing. See the second one. Tell me the answer fast.
Leaves.
Yes. See the third one. See the third one.
Food.
Fruit or bud. Okay, fruit or bud. Now see the next one, fourth one.
Steam.
Stem. Very good. Very good. And the last one. Last one. Roots. Very good. Very, very good. All of you clap for yourself. All of you clap for yourself. Yes, children. Now what you are going to do is, I'll be sending this worksheets in your WhatsApp group. Okay, you have to start writing right now. Okay, start solving the worksheet. This is your class test. This is your monthly test. Okay, come on, start solving, all of you. Start solving.
Okay.
I'm observing you all. Okay, keep your videos on. Come on, come on, come on. Start solving, all of you.
Good afternoon, one and all. My name is Denisha Devente Dolon. Today we learn about germination activity. Next start. I have marked pot, green ground seeds and put in the mud like this. Cover with mud. First day of germination, second day of germination, third day of germination, fourth day of germination, fifth day of germination, sixth day of germination. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Germination of seed.
Drip, drip, drop. Drip, drip, drop. Once it starts, you cannot stop. Germination. Germination. A little water here, a little water there. Soon there's roots growing everywhere. Germination.
special cell, inspection of notebooks. Here are some pictures of students' notebooks which are corrected by the subject teacher. Default register. Default register is introduced by our founder president Dr. R. Varadarajan to minimize the defaults on the part of the students and to ensure good discipline among the students. Through the register, parents can be communicated about the defaults of their wards. Now, the maintenance of the default register. Default register is to be maintained by the class teacher on daily basis. The entries in the register should tally the remarks column in the calendar. The entries in the default register ensure the strict administration of the class teacher. Parents should be informed if the default entries are made. Even subject teachers should make the necessary entries in the default register. This register should be made available in the classroom from first to last period. Now, which entries should be done in that? Absentees, if the students are remaining absent, then the latecomers, home assignment defaulters, uniform defaulters, personal cleanliness like long hair, long nails, mischievous students, talking in the class, disturbing the teacher in the class, in the calendar remarks should be given. Not attending remedial classes, stealing, abnormal behavior, long absentees. Such serious matters should be brought to the notice of the headmistress. After consulting headmistress, the name of such student should be entered in the default register. Students' signature should be obtained for each default. Class teacher should sign after entering the names in the default register. On the following Saturday, between 5 pm to 5:30 pm, parent signature should be obtained. Now it's time for felicitation. Let us felicitate the students, those who have participated in this month-end revision program. Please give a big round of applause to Shirvadkar Diya. Yeah, next we have with us Devadika Jyotika. Please give a big round of applause. Please give a big round of applause to Tandel Aryan. Next is Deolia Komal. Clap for her, all of you. Please give a big round of applause to Keniswara. Yeah, next we have Gayakwad Samruddhi. All of you clap for her. Yeah, now give a big round of applause to Kotian Navya. Yeah. Last but not the least, all of you clap for Jia Palav. Thank you so much, children.
Good afternoon, one and all. I am Aryan. Take this opportunity to propose the vote of thanks. My first and foremost thank goes to our Honorable President Sir, Dr. R. Varadarajan Sir, for introducing this system. Thank you, sir. My sincere thank goes to Mahika ma'am for her support. My thank also goes to Pragati ma'am for giving us suggestion for the better improvement. I thank Sonia teacher for her support. My special thank goes to Shraddha ma'am for conducting this program. Last but not the least, I thank all my friends for their active participation. Once again, I thank you one and all.